Woo! Well, you guys know what today is. Today is iPhone open up box day or unboxing day. I just picked it up, got a few accessories to go with it, ordered it a few days ago, got here yesterday. So perfect timing to unbox my iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gigs, as you see right here. And let's just get right into it. It's not all that impressive, it's just unboxing the iPhone. Now I did get it in that green, just for a change. I know obviously everybody's gonna be getting it in the green, so it's one of those things that, it looks good. It does look good. So let's get this thing unboxed. It's pretty much identical shape-wise as my previous iPhone 10 Max. And here it is right here. What else do we have in here? Documentation, as you see. Put that aside. Got the earbuds. For as much as we're paying for these stupid ass phones, they really should provide us with earbuds or the Apple EarPods rather than this, but one can only dream, right? You got your, I believe this is an 18 watt. So this is gonna do fast charging, like it. And then the cable itself. So it's nice. Put this stuff back. And then let's get on to the point of this video, which is not really just the unboxing, but a few accessories that I think are must-have. Doesn't mean that these ones I have right here are the only ones you can buy. Obviously there's more. This is the one I chose. I've always been a fan of the Spigen case, as you see from my previous phone. I tend to use a lot of Spigen cases, affordable, good cases, and this one is for the 11 Pro Max. So because I'm sporting that green, I went with more of a clear case. So as you see, we'll put that in. Actually, there's a film that says take off. I'll do that now. I'll put this in. It's perfect fit. Perfect fit. As you guys see, what do you think? I think it looks good. This is the case I went with. This has a little film protector on it, but it's see-through. Gives you a little bit of green tones and stuff like that. So this is one of the things I like about it. And then I also have a screen protector. Now the thing about the screen protector is that I had one on my previous phone, and from what I understand, this is gonna fit this one. So you don't have to just look for the actual screen protector for this year's model. Last year's model pretty much fits identical. So as you see, if I wanted to use this right now, I can. I have a brand new one. This one got a little cracked, so I can't I don't really want to use it. But this is another, I think, must have when it comes to accessories, because you never really know when you're gonna need these things. And this is a cheap charger. So this one is very affordable. Doesn't cost a lot of money. And let's open this guy up. Got some documentation. Again, links to everything I have down here will be down in the description, according with the actual glass screen protector that I have. I'll be putting that on in a little bit, but yeah, this is a nice little wireless charger. I think, you know, you utilize the technology when you have it. So it comes with the cord. See, this is the only thing I don't like about it, is if this is gonna, well, I get it because it's not just for the iPhone, but I would like to see more of these dedicated to just the iPhone platform, so you don't have, so if you have, you know, your lightning port, you already have that. But that's all it is. Can I hook this up anywhere? I don't know if it's gonna reach. Well, let's see. And it shows it has power. There's a little green LED. You can see it right there. And it's turning on my phone. So, getting this first boot up. Guys, that's it. I have a new wireless charger. I have a Spigen case that I'm a fan of Spigen. There's other companies I like to use as well, but you know, I just kind of stick with what I know for right now. I got the new phone. Hopefully you guys enjoy the unboxing. Links to everything will be down in the description. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back. Peace. Now I just gotta get this guy to turn on. What are you guys still doing here? I'm trying to set up my iPhone. It's getting a little weird now. Okay, bye.